got towed, didn't have enough money to get it out the tow shop, and then I got arrested because I used to steal. And so it just was terrible. Like, it was just like my life was just becoming ridiculous. And it felt like God was just making my life horrible for me to take notice of his goodness. For me.
Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new here, I'm Kobee and I'm back with another video.
Yeah.
Today, you guys, we're going to be doing an enjoying my own company video. Everybody's pretty much going from campus today. So, yeah, we're going to be hanging by myself. We got a couple things to do today. I know I'm cooking today, so we got to go to the store. I think I'm going to go to Walmart. I think I'm cooking shrimp Alfredo, so I need some shrimp. I need some lettuce because I'm doing a salad with it. And I'm going to give me some little cheese bread. Yeah, we might go to the gym today. We'll see. So, yeah, that's what's on the agenda today. I'm going to just take y'all with me, and we're going to see what we can get into today. Hello, can I get the 20-ounce strawberry kiwi breeze?
Sure. What else for you?
That's all.
It's gonna be $6.48.
I just left Smoothie King because I needed something on my stomach, but I didn't want like no food. I really could have made that at home. $6 for this? My 40 plus Christmas wish list ideas, they have this in Walmart, and I had mentioned it in my video. It's these are so cute. I think they're $23. I don't know, it's really cute though. They got like this stand in here, and they got a whole bunch of colors. Now the ones that I showed in my video, they had the North Face on it, but they're still cute.
Yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Think about what you feel, baby, address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so.
Every time I come into Walmart, I have to smell the candles. This one smells like wintertime. That smells good. Then these, I can smell this though. This smells really good. Black, it smells really good. Alright, what's up y'all? So I actually had this for a while. And by a while, I mean since like August. And I haven't even opened it. So I'm gonna see what it do. So it just came with this part. And this charging thing. Alright, I'm gonna figure out how to work this. I'm gonna get back on. Hey Alexa, play Smoking on My X-Pack by SZA.
Shuffling Smoking on My X-Pack and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Roll the clip and run it back, I'm really like that.
So I actually finished the Alfredo, and I cooked the cheese bread and I got my salad out and I washed some dishes. I didn't record because I was on the phone with my mama. We had been on the phone for like an hour and 30 minutes. We was just chopping it up. But I'll show y'all the food real quick. So here we go. I added, I just put what I had in the pot into the pan, and I put some cheese in between it, and I put some cheese on top. Then I put some more Old Bay on there, and I also put some Italian season on top for a little color because it was a little bland to me. We got the salad right here. We got the cheese bread, and I'm gonna make me a plate because I'm hungry.
Does 10 counts with a Sprite. I'm finna call my man.
What's he doing? I'm hungry. I'm mad at you. I want you to buy me something to eat.
Alright, what's up you guys? So I'm sitting on the top of this parking garage because I'm about to get ready to do a little journaling. But before I did that, I really just wanted to sit up here and talk to you guys for a minute because I feel like I haven't properly gave y'all a real introduction of who I am on this channel. So what's up you guys? I'm Kobee. I am 20 years old. I do attend the Mississippi State University, and I am an accounting major. We are almost to 40 subscribers. I think as of the time that I'm shooting this video, I'm like 1 subscriber away, and that is honestly crazy to me, you guys. I have some wonderful content coming up for you guys. Actually, the next video that's going to come up on my page, I'm really excited to put out for you guys. But I really just wanted to talk to you guys about something that's really been on my mind. I wanted to start this series on my channel called Solo Diaries. I've seen a couple people already do it, so it's nothing new, but I've been in this weird like healing stage in my life. I went through a very traumatic event around March, April-ish last year, and I don't really talk about it anymore because every time I talk about it or think about it, it really brings me to a dark place in my life. I feel like that situation that really happened to me, it really made me who I am today. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I just I'm not gonna sit here and act like I just have life figured out, because I honestly and truthfully don't. I'm still learning and progressing as the years go on. But one thing that I've learned this year in 2022, if you are happy truly being alone, then nobody can take your happiness away from you. There's a lot of things you cannot control in this world, but one thing that you can control is your happiness. And I found out that if you are truly happy with yourself and truly fine with being alone, nobody can take that happiness away from you. So that's why I really wanted to start this solo diaries. And mainly it's for me. I made my YouTube channel to really document my life. So that's what it's mainly for. So yeah, we're doing that. Also, I want to talk to you guys about my content. I do realize that a lot of you guys probably watch me because of my college content, and I will continue to do college content because I am a sophomore and I am in my second semester, so I still got a ways to go. So obviously I will continue to do those type of videos, but I do want to transition more of my content into like my personal life other than school. So I really want to do that because like I want my supporters to really be there for me. You know what I'm saying? I would rather have 50 or 5 subscribers that really fuck with me for real, rather than 500,000 subscribers that the moment I switch up content, they're telling me what I can and cannot do. You know what I'm saying? So I really want to nip that in the bud right now. So I really want to start putting out content that I enjoy doing. So yeah, guys, we are almost to 40 subscribers, and I want to thank every single last one of you guys for subscribing to my channel and really engaging with my channel. That really means a lot to me because I really enjoy doing this. I really enjoy putting out content and doing those type of things. And when y'all interact with my channel and when y'all like even if it's like one person that likes, that lets me know that you enjoyed it. At least you watched it. You know what I'm saying? So that just really makes me happy. But I'm finna get ready to end the vlog right here. If you made it to this section of the video, I would like to thank you for watching. And like I said, we're almost to 40 subscribers. So I want to thank every single last one of you guys for subscribing to my channel. Without further ado, I hope to see you guys in the next one.